Hello Suma, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am fine too, but I am somewhat worried about water pollution.
Exactly. This polluted water causes much harmful to us.
But man is mainly responsible for water pollution. They pollute water by throwing waste into it.
Yes, farmers also use chemical fertilizers and insecticides in their fields. Rain and floods wash away some of the chemicals.
Yes, are you right, Suma? And these chemical fertilizers and insecticides get mixed with the water of canals, ponds, and rivers, and thus pollute water.
Industries and factories also pollute water by the waste materials.
Exactly. Leaking of oil from water vehicles, dead bodies are also contribute much to water pollution.
Besides, germs of diseases and unsanitary latrines are other factors that pollute water.
So, it is high time to stop water pollution. But how can we prevent water from being polluted?
Water pollution can be prevented in many ways. But the main way is to make people aware of the importance of pure water.
I am agreed with you, Suma. There is no alternative to make people aware of the bad effects of water pollution.
Thank you very much for discussing such an important issue.
You are most welcome. See you again.